Hello, all. Welcome to the last part of Societal Impacts. In this video, we'll be learning about the e waste, its hazards, and the health issues raised by the technology. E waste. What do you mean by e waste? E waste can be described as a waste formed due to the electronic and electrical appliances, and it also comprises of the items such as computers, mobile phones, digital music recorders, any electronic devices, maybe refrigerators, washing machines, televisions, or any other household items. So what are the hazards or what are the problems arised by these e-waste? Most of these electronic devices comprises of the toxic chemicals, and these uh, disposal of this improper disposing of these type of chemicals may cause environmental problems. It may make cause pollution in the water, it may cause pollution in the air, it may cause pollution in the soil, and all these problem makes the life of people very difficult. And improper recycling such as burning them in an open air, and acid baths, etc., creates acidics and toxic components to come in contact with the air, and it causes air pollution. And if air pollution is there, associated problems will also arise, and damage to the immune system, skin diseases, multi ailments, and skin problems. So many problems arises due to the release of this toxic uh, materials from this toxic chemical materials from this electronic gadgets. So how this has to be managed? There is an area which is known as e-waste management. What are they doing? They are actually recycling and proper disposal of this e-waste. They are handling all these things. So we are not supposed to directly go and burn the used computers or something. So there are some authorized dealers who take up the old electronic gadgets, and they recycle it in a proper way, or they dump them in a proper way which is not which does not cause any problem in the environment. So what is being done in this e-waste management? Actually, they do the proper recycling. They separate the metals and plastics, and they make electronic items which can be remodeled. They are not, if the same model cannot be used, they can be remodeled, or some components inside this thing can be changed and can be remodeled into a new one and can be reused. And valuable materials are being used inside the different electronic components, so that can be taken from the old electronic waste. And even if there is hazardous materials like mercury, lead, and all, they can be disposed of in an underground landfill. Landfill means where these waste are dumped in places, and they are made the places which are made for some other purpose like agriculture and all. That's what's about the e-waste hazards, which and the problems caused to the environment. Now coming to the awareness of the about the health concerns while we are using most of the technology the most. You know that this we are using most the computer technology more in this lockdown period. What are the health issues that make arise due to that? So there may be some physical problems as well as mental problems when we are using this technology a lot rather than the limit, a particular limit. There may be some neck strain, vision problems, sense of isolation, sleeping disorders, stress, loss of attention, problem in the social relationships. See if some people, you might have seen your friends, those who are very techno savvy, they might not have some social relationship with other people. They are almost engaged in this type of technological things. Computer anxiety may arise, internet addiction. See, in this lockdown period, this has increased a lot. Now, what can we do to avoid these type of problems? See, one should learn how to use these technologies. Should be able to know how to use these technologies without affecting your health, or without experiencing any problem, rather than avoiding the problem or avoiding using them. And users of the computer technologies should take education on the healthy use of this technology, how it can be used healthy. So thank you.